All right, welcome everyone. That's up to step 22. Oh, no, 23 today. Did just finish 22. And that's where we're at. Got our exhaust here tied in to however these mechanisms are going to tie together. We'll find out more about that today. Maybe. I don't think it's going to meet, but we're going to get more guts in there in the middle, it looks like. Okay, so need E8, 9, and E15 times 2. 8, 9, and 15 times 2. Okay, so that's just going to be a depth gauge, it looks like. And P5 and P9. Oh, P5, one of each, okay. P9, which is 60 mil. Gotta be one of those, because no, it's too long. It's shorter than that one, so it's gotta be the only one that's even close to that. Yeah, there, that one. So, just to avoid the possibility of splinters here in a minute. That's it. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with how this one's coming together. I'm assuming it's just the scale of it that's making it so much better. It's easier to work on than that smaller one that I did not too long ago. I'll have to dig that one out so I can really show the size difference between these two trains. Okay, let's mount one of these on there. Nope. That's the first part of step 23. Now, some more pieces together. E9. But no E8 this time. Ooh. That's going to be... Okay. E16 times 2. Oh, because they're not long enough for to have an E8 in there. Little stubby depth gauge. 17 and 18. That's 18. 17 and 18. All right. I should have looked to see. Nope, still no wax on this, so it must be still getting the wax off the other side of the E19 times 2 and 20 times 2. So these two. Then P5 times 2. So, or little bitty baby donuts. Or bagels, depending on your preferences. But I think even people that like bagels are going to pick donuts. But that's just me. Okay. I think my dog's wanting attention tonight. She's being very attentive to me, I guess. She's making sure I know she's there. Aren't you, Bridget? Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much I thought. Just plug these two in immediately. And goes on to that end. And get this situation going. Now we assemble this gear, sort of like last time. Got our triangle. Oh, okay, they're all the same. They're all triangles. So these must all be the same thing. Okay. Wasn't expecting that either. So, it looks like you just gotta alternate them. Must not matter which way you alternate them though. Because they do, yeah, they all tie together reasonably good. Still got to get the shaft through the middle. Oh. Okay. Don't set it on the table before you do that. And these go through on the smaller side. And get our gently push down onto there. Okay. Okay. You go in. Evidently it only goes in one side. Okay, it's supposed to, and it is telling us to make sure it's 10 mil over here. Which is. Okay. But it goes in, drops in there. Okay, so it's got a hole in the cab there, and then this mesh. They must be going to add some more support over here, but it does work. It'll work better once we get more. I don't know that I've ever seen a picture of that side of it, so I'm not sure. Is there a picture of it on the back? It looks like not a picture of it. There's a diagram. It's got something standing up there, and it's not on there yet. So we must be adding that on. Yeah, it looks like there's a hole for it here. So that'll about line up. Something goes from here to here, and that'll give this support properly. Yeah, that's what I bet's going to happen. All right, but that concludes step 23. Getting closer to connecting them. Looks like going to have what we got next. What's 24? Another gear assembly. Oh, let's get okay, and it actually gets part of the cage. All right, yeah, we'll actually connect these gears up next time. It appears. Yeah, a pretty long step actually. So it'll be longer than a 10-minute video. And I remembered it's all in one take this time, so no ghost to throw my timing off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.